Today we are going to be doing a hair takedown. So if you missed my original video of me co-washing with this amazing brand called the Doux, make sure you go watch that video first and then come back to see the takedown of this style. Like, you see these curls, right? You would think that I had to use like perm rods or flexi rods or a bunch of twists, but no, we did this style with 2 twists. So yeah, so we are going to first take our hair down, and then we are going to do an unboxing of all these products because I mean, I only showed you 2 in the original video, so or maybe 3, I don't remember, but I want to show you all of the products from the Doux. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Let's take this hair down and style it first, and then we're going to get into this unboxing. And stick around because there may be a giveaway. But do you see how big and pretty these curls are? Ah! Yeah, I love it. But that is the beauty of doing just 2 flat twists. Like, are you serious? 2 flat twists and you get these curls? If you're like me, I always felt like we had to do like a whole bunch of different twists to get the definition we desired. But no, girl, I really love these big curls. I do. And in order to get bigger curls, you have to do bigger twists. And again, I like to focus the product on the ends the most because that's where you want the curls to really pop. And then we stretch the root anyway, so it's like you don't really need that much definition there. But look how pretty these curls are. Aren't they pretty? You guys have to agree. And this is not even separated. This is just taking the twist down. And they're still really clumped up. So when we separate them even more, we'll have even more bigger curls. But if you are a fan of just leaving your hair as defined as possible, then just stop here. And of course, fluff it out a little bit and shape it. But these are the curls you get from 2 flat twists, y'all. But I need some body because, as you guys know, we had 2 twists, so this is really flat right now, especially because I have my wig on top. So in order to get some more body, we are going to separate these twists a little bit more. So I just separated that one into 2. Now this is the part where you have to be careful because even after being natural all these years, I still overly separate my curls, and I'm going to try not to do that today. But honestly, I could leave my hair as is, right? Like, it seems already separated because flat twists do give you that effect of already being separated because, you know, when you twist your hair, you're basically separating your hair to twist it. I'm going to try not to mess with it, y'all. I'm just going to pick it a little bit at the root to give it some body so it's not so flat and blah. So basically, I just picked at the top. Now I grab what I want to be laying down and I'm going to pick in that direction. because that's another mistake that I've done in the past, where I'm just picking and then all my hair is just too like everything's moving up instead of down, because as you guys know, our hair grows out and up, and it doesn't really lay down. So if you wanted to lay down and show some of your length, you actually have to pick it down. So pick it down and then kind of like, you know, move the curls down while the pick is still in there, because if we pick up, it's going to go up, right? So basically that's what you're doing. Wherever you want your hair to lay is where you're going to pick. So grab a section and pick down and then fluff the curls out. So see how much stretch we have so far compared to on this side already. But we're not going to go too far. We're going to just do the same thing on this side. So we're going to, well, I'm going to separate some more. Right now my hair feels really soft. There is a light hold. It is not a, it's not a stiff hold, but you can tell that my curls are going to stay like this. At least for a while, for a few days, because I mean seriously, when you blow your hair out, it doesn't last as long as wet styling, but it's okay, you know. You guys, I hope you guys understand how much I freaking love the Doux products. They're amazing. And Maya, the owner, she is a hairstylist, so she like really knows what works, you know. So she's amazing. And she's very much about not using too many products, because like most stylists don't feel like you necessarily have to use, like, clump on the products. Like one product should work, and it should work for multiple things. So as you guys saw in the co-washing video, her co-wash basically cleansed, conditioned, and deep conditioned all in one. So that's what they're about. They're about having products that do more than one thing. Yes, see, this is what I'm talking about. The leave-in was a leave-in, and it also was a blow dry cream. I'm not going to do it at the top because I always like that more like angular shape, so I always like to stretch the bottom and let the top do its thing, because that gives your hair shape if you stretch the bottom longer and let the top kind of sit as is, you know what I mean? It gives it that angle. But yeah, I'm really feeling these results. I didn't have to pick it that much. Yeah. Now if you want to add some shine, let's add some shine. To see the unboxing and giveaway, make sure you watch the next upload. I didn't want this video to be too long, but special shout out to the Doux. I wish you much success, and you guys can pick up these products at Target, Sally's, Walmart, and of course online. Thanks for watching, you guys. Mwah.